Question: three rational numbers x, y, z satisfy x plus y plus z is equal to 0 and x, y plus y, z plus zx is equal to 0, so that all the rational numbers x, y, z must be simultaneously 0. तीन रेशनल नंबर x, y, z हैं, ये दो कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई करते हैं, तो हमें दिखाना है कि ये तीनों रेशनल नंबर x, y, z अलग अलग जीरो होंगे। x भी जीरो होगा, y भी जीरो होगा और z भी जीरो होगा। ये हमें प्रूव करना है। गिवन कंडीशंस: x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Number 1. Second condition: x, y plus y, z plus z is equal to 0. Number 2. From first condition, x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Squaring both sides: x plus y plus z whole square is equal to 0 square. Using identity: a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Left hand side can be written as x square plus y square plus z square प्लस 2ab है तो प्लस 2xy प्लस 2bc 2yz प्लस 2ca 2zx is equal to square of 0 is 0. Taking 2 common from these three terms, xy plus yz plus zx equal to 0. Value of xy plus yz plus zx 0. Putting from 2 into 0 is equal to 0. From 2 or x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 0. It means sum of squares of three numbers is equal to 0. It is possible if these three rational numbers are simultaneously 0. Sum of squares of three rational numbers means sum of three positive numbers is 0 only if three rational numbers are separately 0. Or simultaneously 0. Rational numbers x, y, z must be simultaneously 0. Proved. Question 15. So that the rational number a plus b upon 2 lies between the rational numbers A and B. We have to prove that A plus B upon 2 lies between rational number A and B. Let L is number line, rational number A is here, rational number B is here. If A plus B upon 2 lies between A and B, then it should be at this point anywhere between A and B. If we can prove A is less than A plus B upon 2 and A plus B upon 2 is less than B, then we can say that rational number A plus B upon 2 lies between rational number A and B. यदि हम यह दिखा दें कि A छोटा है A प्लस बी अपन 2 से और A प्लस बी अपन 2 छोटा है B से, तब कह सकते हैं हम कि A प्लस बी अपन 2 A और B के बीच में स्थित है. A is clearly A is less than B. Rational number A is smaller and B is greater. Therefore, A is less than B. Adding A to both sides. A plus A is less than A plus B, or 2A is less than A plus B. Dividing both sides by 2. पॉजिटिव नंबर है 2, डिवाइड कर सकते हैं इनइक्वलिटी में. A is less than A plus B upon 2, number 1. Now we will prove that A plus B upon 2 is less than B, taking again A is less than B. Adding B to both sides. पहले हमने A ऐड किया दोनों साइड में, अब B ऐड करेंगे. A plus B is less than B plus B, or A plus B is less than 2B. Dividing both sides by 2, A plus B upon 2 is less than B, number 2. From number 1, A is less than A plus B upon 2, and from 2, A plus B upon 2 is less than B. It means A plus B upon 2 lies between the rational number A and B. Thus, A plus B upon 2 lies between rational numbers A and B. Proved. Question 16. Find the length of the hypotenuse of all the triangles in figure, which is referred to as the square root spiral. इस स्क्वायर रूट स्पायरल में सभी हाइपोटेनियस का लंबाई ज्ञात करना है. ये हाइपोटेनियस है, राइट एंगल के सामने वाला साइड राइट हाइपोटेनियस कहलाता है. इस ट्रायंगल में ये हाइपोटेनियस है, इसका नाम दे दिया, ये मान लो O है, ये पॉइंट, और ये A है, ये B है, ये C, D, in right angle OAB. By Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse OB square is equal to sum of squares of other two sides OA square plus AB square, or OB is equal to under root OA square plus AB square. OA is 1 AB is 1 unit. 1 square plus 1 square is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to root 2. Thus hypotenuse, first hypotenuse OB is equal to root 2. Now in right angle OBC, similarly hypotenuse OC is equal to under root OB square plus BC square is equal to OB is root 2 square plus BC is 1 is equal to 2 plus 1 root 3. Similarly, in right triangle OCD, hypotenuse OC OC निकाल चुके हैं, ये रूट 3 आया. hypotenuse OD is equal to OC square plus CD square, OC square plus CD square. Root OC is root 3 plus 1 square is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to root 4 is equal to 2. रूट 4 लिख सकते हैं या 2 लिख सकते हैं. सिमिलरली हाइपोटेनियस इन राइट एंगल ODE, hypotenuse OE is equal to root OD square plus DE square, 2 square plus 1 square is equal to 4 plus 1 5. In right triangle OFE, it is root 5. Hypotenuse OF is equal to OE square plus EF square. OE is root 5 and EF is 1. Root 5 square plus 1 square is equal to 5 plus 1 root 6. Similarly, hypotenuse OG is equal to root 7. Hypotenuse OH is equal to root 8. Hypotenuse OI is equal to root 9 R3, root 6, root 7, root 8, root 9 R3, root 10 and root 11. Hypotenuse OJ is equal to root 10. And last, hypotenuse OK is equal to root 11.